What is a motion to remand for withholding of removal in immigration court? Imagine facing a situation where you believe you have a strong case to stay in the United States, but the court is about to make a final decision. What can you do? That's where a motion to remand for withholding of removal comes into play. It's a way to ask the immigration authorities to give you another chance to present your case. A motion to remand is a formal request made to the Board of Immigration Appeals. It asks them to send your case back to the immigration judge for more review. This motion is usually filed when new evidence or important facts come up after your first hearing. It can also be used if you were not able to present certain evidence earlier, maybe because you didn't have legal help or didn't know about it. Withholding of removal is a protection that stops you from being sent back to a country where you face danger. If you have a well-founded fear of persecution or torture in your home country, this protection can help. And like asylum, withholding of removal does not give you permanent legal status or the right to bring family members. It simply prevents your deportation and allows you to stay and work legally in the United States while the case is decided. You might want to file a motion to remand if you get new evidence that supports your claim for withholding of removal. For example, if you find new documents or witness statements that show the danger you face, this motion can help you get a second look. It's also useful if you couldn't present certain facts earlier because of lack of legal help or other reasons. This motion is different from a motion to reopen. A motion to reopen asks the board to review a case after a final decision, but a motion to remand asks to send the case back to the immigration judge before the final decision. There is no fee to file this motion, and it can be done at any time before the board makes a final ruling. For Latino families, understanding this process is important. If a family member is facing removal and you have new evidence or believe the case was not fully considered, a motion to remand can be a way to protect them. Remember, withholding of removal offers protection from returning to dangerous situations, but it does not include the ability to petition for relatives or travel outside the country. In short, a motion to remand asks the Board of Immigration Appeals to send your case back to the immigration judge for another look. It's a tool to introduce new evidence or arguments about withholding of removal. This can be a key step in helping a loved one stay safe and continue living in the United States.